Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to archive and unarchive WhatsApp chats or conversations in iPhone. Follow these easy steps to learn how you can easily hide a WhatsApp chat to make the chat archive. First of all, open your WhatsApp and go to chat section. And here you will find all of your WhatsApp chats or conversations. Now, for example, I want to hide or make this chat archive. So I'm going to hard pressing on this chat and here tapping on archive. And as you can see, the chat has been removed from my WhatsApp chat list. And now to see the archived chats, you have to go to this archived box. And here you will find all of your archived chats. Now to unarchive any chat, do the same thing, hard press on the chat and just tap on unarchive, and the chat will be removed from archived box and will be added again in your WhatsApp chat list. So this is how we can hide or archive and unarchive chats in WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.